Hey everyone, so today's video is it was supposed to be a Zodiac series look, but I kind of changed my mind while I was filming. But yeah, pretty much it's kind of my review on the Blood Sugar palette. It's the first time that I've used it in a video, so I hope you guys do enjoy. As you guys can see, I've already primed my face using the Too Faced Hangover primer, and now I'm just preparing my eyelids, eyebrows, as I guess you could say. I'm carving them out. This is a new way I've liked to do my eyebrows now. I am carving them out with my concealer first. This is the Colourpop concealer in the shade Light 10, and it's the No Filter concealer, and I'm just outlining my eyebrows, and then I go in with a brush and just outline them and get more of a precise line, and then I blend it out with a sponge later on. Now I'm going into the Blood Sugar palette. This is obviously by Jeffree, and the first colour I'm taking on a fluffy blender brush is the shade Tongue Pop. It's just a nice sort of like, I don't know, I would say it's like a muted watermelon sort of shade. I really like this shade, but yeah, I'm just popping that in the crease sort of as a transition colour just to help me blend all the other colours together. Then I'm going straight into one of the really bright red shades in this palette. I'm going in with Cherry Soda here, and that's just going all over the lid and up into the crease. I am blending a little bit in the crease, but we're going to go in with another colour soon and blend it some more. Now I'm going in with the shade Prick, and that's just like a really bright red. That's going to help blend the two colours together. Now going into the shade Fresh Meat, and that's just kind of like a deep plummy red. I'm using this to define the outer corner a little bit just because I like definition out there. I think it opens up my eyes a little bit more, so that's what I'm doing here. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven sent. So here I'm just cleaning up the outer corner with the same brush that I used the concealer on, and then I'm going into foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm blending that out with a sponge, and then I'm also going to go back in with the same concealer I used previously and just use that to cover up my under eye dark circles. Now I'm going in with my Australis AC On Tour Contouring and Highlighting Kit. This is the cream kit, and we're just doing some cream bronzing, not contouring, and then again just blending all that out with my sponge. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter setting powder in the shade Translucent. This is just a loose setting powder. I'm blending it out blending my under eyes out with a sponge just to make sure that I don't have any creasing, and then just using a brush to set that. And then I'm going to go in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless face powder, press powder, and just using a big fluffy brush to set the rest of my makeup. Now I'm going in with Fresh Meat under my eyes first, just to do a little bit of shading under there because it is so intense on the top, and then I'm going to go in with Cherry Soda just to help blend out Fresh Meat because it is very intense. So here all I'm doing is taking the same brush that I used my under eye powder on, just blending it a little bit because I thought that I blended the red too far down. And then we're going to bronze our cheeks and our forehead again with powder bronzer. This one's by Colourpop, it's called Opening Act. And then I'm also going to go in with contour, and I'm using the Tartiest Pro Glow To Go palette, and I'm using the bottom shade in that, which is called Chisel. And then, yep, just obviously putting that in my cheekbones and in my temples and around my forehead and on my nose, all those good places. I'm also highlighting with this palette, and I'm just using the middle shade, the real yellowy gold, because I thought it would complement the red quite nicely, and I really like how it looked all together. So now I'm actually going to fill in the sparse part of my brows, and the reason why I like to outline them in concealer first and then go in with pencil is because I just find they look more natural and I have to use less product. So I'm using the Colourpop eyebrow pencil in the shade Brunette, and then I'm also going in with Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3 just to set that. And then for liner, I'm using the Colourpop liquid liner. I think it's from the BFF collection. It's the shade Numero Uno, just the black one. And I'm just doing a nice wing with that on both eyes. And then I'm going to set my face before I do mascara. So the setting spray I'm using is the Urban Decay All Nighter. And then for mascara, I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes Wow Wings mascara. And then for lashes today, I'm using these ones by BYS. They're double lashes, so they're kind of stacked, and these ones are in the shade Double Desire. And what I'm doing here is I'm just running my spoolie through them to help fluff them out a little bit more so they look a little bit more natural. And the lash glue I'm using is by Kiss. It's got aloe vera in it. I love, 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 love this eyelash glue. I think it works so good, and these tweezers just work so well to put lashes on. And then for lips, why not not go all out and go red, red, red. I love red. I will happily leave the house wearing this. I have done before and I absolutely love it. So the lip liner I'm using here is by Savvy. I think it's called Red Brick or something like that. And then I'm going in with this BYS Velvet Lip Shade. It's a matte. I'm not sure what this one's called. You guys can see it on the screen there. And yeah, just applying that all over. So this here is the finished look. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you did enjoy this video and want to see more. And also don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all those things which are linked down below and above. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.